you've been training biceps consistently and still not seeing the size you expected, this video will explain exactly why. Not your genetics, not your split. 3 mechanical errors you're making on every rep without realizing it. I'll break each one down with the science, fix it, and give you a full workout at the end. Welcome back to the Orange Core. Bicep curls look simple. They're not. There's more detail underneath than most people apply, and that gap is exactly why arms stall. Let's fix it. Mistake 1, wrist flexion. As the weight comes up, the wrist curls forward. When that happens, your forearm flexors step in to assist, and research shows this measurably reduces bicep activation. You're diluting the exercise on every rep. Fix. Wrist stays neutral the entire rep. Hand and forearm move as one unit, no independent wrist movement. In most cases, this also means dropping the weight. Master the pattern first, load it second. Your biceps will respond far better to 15 kilos done correctly than 25 done sloppily. Mistake 2, ignoring supination. The bicep has 2 jobs, flex the elbow and rotate the forearm. If you're curling with a fixed grip and your palm stays up the whole time, you're only training half of what the bicep actually does. Studies show full supination increases peak bicep activation. You're leaving real stimulus on the table every set. Fix. Start each rep with a neutral grip, thumb facing forward. As you curl up, rotate the pinky toward the ceiling. At the top, palm faces your shoulder. Hold 1 full second and squeeze. That's the peak contraction. Also ease up on grip pressure. Squeezing too hard shifts tension into the forearm and away from the bicep. Mistake 3, elbow drift. As fatigue hits, elbows travel forward. Your front deltoids take over, the bicep becomes secondary, and you've turned a curl into a partial front raise. Fix. Elbows anchored to your sides. Only the elbow joint moves. Upper arm stays vertical and still. A small amount of drift at the very top is fine. Anything more means the weight is too heavy. Drill to lock this in. Stand with your back flat against a wall and curl from there. It makes swinging physically impossible and teaches you exactly what a strict rep feels like. A 2018 study by Dr. Brad Schoenfeld found that lifters who focused on squeezing the target muscle saw nearly double the bicep growth versus those focused only on moving the weight. Same exercise, same volume, dramatically different outcomes. 4 steps to apply it. 1. Lower the weight until maintaining form takes 0 effort. 2. Before your set, flex your bicep hard with no weight. That's the feeling you're chasing every rep. 3. Think squeeze the bicep, not lift the dumbbell. 2 to 3 seconds on the way down, always controlled. 4. Visualize the peak contracting at the top. This increases motor unit recruitment. It's neurological, not motivational. The workout 1. Barbell curls. 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Maximum load with perfect mechanics. Wrists neutral, elbows fixed. This is your overload work. 2. Alternating dumbbell curls. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per arm. Neutral grip, supinate on the way up, 1 second hold at the peak. Every rep intentional. 3. Cable curls. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Constant tension through the full range. No easy point in the rep. Volume and pump work. 4. Incline dumbbell curls. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Bench at 45 to 60 degrees. Lean back. Bicep is fully stretched at the bottom of every rep. A uniquely effective growth stimulus. Expect a deep burn. Locked wrists. Full supination. Elbows pinned. Train with intention. Apply these consistently and your biceps will respond. It's that straightforward. Subscribe to the Orange Core for more evidence-based training. Drop a comment below. Which of these 3 were you guilty of? See you in the next one.